Right, we're going to show you how to properly butcher a rabbit.
Okay, I like to start with the back legs. Rabbit joints are very easy to take apart. So you just go and you just pop those legs out of place. Find the top of the hip, cut around it, follow the spine to the tail. From the back, all right, and then we gotta find that joint. There it is. And a slice right through. Okay, there's one thigh. Same thing on the other side. And follow the spine. There you go. 2 thighs. If you don't like the sound of bones crunching, maybe don't watch the rest of the video. Okay, rabbit front legs are not attached by any joint. Scapula and muscles are just sitting there. So you just pull and slice. Okay, now to get the saddle, these little flank pieces make good jerky. They're also really good in soup stock. So cut that flank, find that tiny rib, and cut all the way down to the spine. We made jerky recently for the first time. It dries out very easily. So once I've perfected the recipe, then we'll make a video on how to do that. I'm just keeping the ribs and the flanks and the necks for soup stock. And I'm quartering the rabbit for easier meals. Now, here comes some bone crunching. It's easiest to do it against the natural path of the spine. Just hold your thumbs where you want it to go, and you pull. Oh, it's snapping in the wrong spot, but that's okay. Cut spinal cord. Give it a twist. There you go. So all of this, the ribs and the flanks and the neck will all go into a soup stock at another date. All right, now we got to get the pelvis off of the saddle. This part's a little trickier. It just seems to be more attached. And then again, you're gonna wanna just find a joint and pull. Find that twisting really helps. Just get everything loose so you can cut right through. Okay, so now I've got the saddle, we've got the 2 legs and the 2 thighs. Because I want to make some kind of easy dinner or stir fry tonight, I am going to debone the saddle. I don't particularly want all this inner fat. So what I'm doing is I'm cutting down the center on both sides. I'm doing the same along back. Now the saddle is very bony, and there's a lot of bony prominences, so it's tougher to cut around and to get it all off in one piece. But for me, that doesn't matter much today. I just want most of it off the bone. So, nice chunk of meat, and then the rest here will be saved for soup stock. Since rabbit has a really mild taste, I will use the stock for anything that calls for vegetable or chicken broth. All right, here's that other piece. There we go. The end.